Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you my April 2024 Microstock earnings. The grand total is 2,052.75 cents. Going to show you per agency what I made and my best sellers. Here I have an overview of my total earnings. I made a comparison to 2023. I made $462 more than last year. Also, I have drawn out my earnings for Q1 compared to last year. This year I made $1,733 more. So that's about a 30% increase. And here you have the complete overview of all the months in the year so far. Now I also put all the agencies below each other, starting with the first one, which is Adobe Stock, then Shutterstock, Storyblocks, Getty Images, Pond5, and then we see some smaller agencies. And here we see the total. Starting at the lowest, that are the minor agencies. Now I've put together a little overview of earning screens of Video Hive, where I made $36. I only sold two videos. One is a petroleum silo storage video. And the other one is the skyline of Düsseldorf in Germany. Next to that we see LME. In LME I had a little bit more sales. Yeah, also mainly aerial videos. The first one is an aerial photo of a blast furnace in Ghent, Belgium. The second one is an aerial photo of the River Amstel in Amsterdam. And the third one is the University of Amsterdam, also an aerial photo. After that we have Dreamstimes, also always pretty low, usually mostly images, $14.50. Then we have deposit photos, $8.96, and 123 RF, $4.35, and Wirestock $1.59. And dissolve 0. Now I started uploading to Wirestock actually, also videos now, keep you updated on that. Now next to that we have the number 5, Pond5. The April total was pretty low, only $52. That's pretty low for my standards. I grew my portfolio size with 456 files, of which 358 videos and 98 photos. I only had a few sales, a 3D rendering of a motorcycle, an aerial video of the Dutch city of Leeuwarden in Friesland, where I made $10. So this I had an aerial video in the German Ruhr area for only $2.80. Also this month we have seen data set earnings, which was my biggest earner with $31.70. And lastly I also sold an aerial video of a chemical park in the Ruhr area for $7.23. Next we have Getty Images. Now I made a bit less than last month, $12 less. My portfolio size grew a bit with 189 files, of which 146 are videos and 43 are images. Now I only started uploading videos since October or a little bit before that, so then we see an increase. My best seller was an aerial drone view of Liège in Belgium. Next to it we see a 3D illustration of a bicycle. At number 3 we have a container ship, top-down aerial video. On number 4 we have a rendering, also 2 downloads. On number 5 we see a racetrack in Assen, the Netherlands, also made with my drone. And on 6 we see an FPV video made in France, on the Col de Aubisque mountain. On number 7 we have the capital of Belgium. This file also sells on other sites really well. And on number 8 we see an aerial drone video of the ASML factory, a large company here in Veldhoven, the Netherlands. On number 9 we see a residential area in Amsterdam, newly built, And on number 10 we see a petroleum silos. So yeah, that are my most downloaded files. Next we have Storyblocks. Well, I made less than last month, $73 less. I think this is partly to do with their moderation or their approval. As you can see, I still have 620 files pending. So they're really not quick with the review process, and every time I see my earnings drop because of this. So it's hurting my earnings. Next, these are my bestsellers. This is actually an artificial intelligence created video of an American flag. Number 2, we have the Dolomites mountain range, also made with my drone. On number 3, we see petroleum oil storage silos. Number 4, we have the Kinderdijk. It's an historic place with windmills close to Rotterdam in the Netherlands. On number 5 we have an historic picturesque fishing village at Marken, also in the Netherlands. On number 6 we see an aerial view of a power station made in Germany. On number 7 we have a top-down aerial of a container ship. On number 8 we see an aerial drone video of an industrial process called flaring. Number 9 we have a top-down video of the circuit at Zandvoort, the racetrack. Number 10 is a water purification installation in the Netherlands, also an aerial video. Number 11, I made it recently, 2 smokestacks at a power plant in Utrecht. Number 12 we also see an aerial view on the Dolomites. Number 13 is the port of Rotterdam, the container terminal. And on number 14 we see solar panels. And on number 15 we see an old ancient historic town of Naarden-Vesting. On number 2 we have Shutterstock. I see there's a mistake here. This should be about $700. My portfolio size grew with 542 files, of which 460 are videos, 82 are images. And another exciting thing is that I'm almost climbing towards the 30% royalty rate. I only need 34 more downloads of videos, make 30% royalty rate. Also, I added all my earnings per day. My best day was 10th of April, where I made $103. And also my bestsellers of the last 3 months. The first one is the Erasmusbrug. It's an iconic bridge in Rotterdam, the Netherlands. 2, we see the port of Rotterdam, also petrochemical silos. And on number 3 we have a data center here in the Netherlands. It's from Microsoft. It sells really well across all platforms. And on number 2 we have a top-down also of a petrochemical industry silos. And on number 5 we see this is an LNG terminal, liquefied natural gas, also selling well across all platforms. I think it has to do with because of the wars and the energy crisis that brings with it. Now we go to my best earner, which is Adobe Stock. I made $791. This is $122 more than last month. My portfolio size grew with 705 files. 659 are videos and 46 are photos. Best day was on April 24th, where I made $98 in one day. My bestsellers are this wind turbine, which made me $75. It's currently one of my best-selling files on the site. And after that we have a shared place. Also again we see petrochemical silos, all sold for $28. And below here we see the city of Leuven in Belgium, also sale for $28. And after that we have an illustration actually, which made me $27.44. And below that we see that's a logistical park with trucks, a top-down aerial video which made me $25.20. This was my earnings for April. I made about 30% more than last year, which I'm happy with it, that we see a climb. Of course, you can have a little bit of a lower month, but if you see overall climbing, I'm pretty happy. So yeah, on to the next month of May, and I will share you my earnings. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.